Hey guys, gonna put this downspout up here all the way down. What I've done here is I've got some 45-degree angles, and I had to cut a regular piece. Here's another 45. So the thing's gonna sit up like this around here. The trick was just to get this piece here the right length. And what I'll do is I'll have to crimp one side of it, and I'll show you. So basically the length that I had to account for from the spout here, it's a straight up and down on the house. There's where it comes down out of the house. This overlaps. This is on the inside of that because the water will flow over it. But now when you get to here, see, it'll hit this lip on the inside. That's why this has to go inside of that. So we're going to crimp this. How that works, just crimps it right in. Give it a squeeze. End up having to crimp it all the way around 360. Now it'll fit right in there, nice and easy. There we go. So that's how I cut them, just with the hacksaw all the way around. Okay, now once we've gotten it that far, we're just fitting this thing up right now. Now we're just going to take and get the long piece. You know, just fit that piece up, that long one there. I'll just put the angle on the bottom. There we go, got that one on there. So now I'm going to pull the whole thing down, and I'm going to seal up the joints and rivet it. And then I'll put in a self-tapping screw up there. Okay, here's the whole run right here. I've pulled it back off. Now the only joints that I'm going to go ahead and worry about putting compound in is this here, because it could leak down and get underneath there. Put some compound and rivet, and these two here. And here I'll just rivet this because that water's going shooting straight down in this case, so it's not going to leak out of there, nor is it going to leak out the bottom here, but I will go ahead and rivet it just to keep it snug. Okay, I'm just going to put the silicone in there, pull it apart, and put a bead around there and a bead around there. This is just that clear silicone. You can also use that roof repair stuff too. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and rivet this end, so I'm going to drill a hole right through here. Just want to drill a hole big enough, just enough so the rivet will fit through it. Rivet in the rivet gun. There we go. Got all the connections riveted up. Now I'm just going to fit it up to the hole in the gutter there and use the self-tapping screw to secure that. There's exactly what I'm using. Looks like this. So now what I've got is these here, and you can bend these around and secure them. So here's the other one of the other ones that I did. The screws just go through there, you bend it around your downspout. Usually use a couple of them. So what I like to do is take right here at this first fold, take and bend it up, just like that. I can bend that one up. Now when you bend these down, right here at that far one there, it'll go around there a lot easier.